Hello, this is Janet Sowers, and one of the questions we get at the store is how to do quilting on your embroidery machine. And I wanted to show you something just really quick to make embroidery on fat quarters, and then you can change those into zippered pouches. So this is a real quick and easy project that you can do on the Solaris, or actually any embroidery machine, as long as you have a larger size hoop. So the first thing that I do is go in to settings, and I make sure that the largest hoop is selected. So the largest hoop I have on the Solaris is a 10 5/8 by 16. So I select that, and then delete this. I go out to my quilting motifs, and these are two of the newest quilting motifs that they've got in the system for quilting. And I'm just going to select this one and set it, and it pulls it in. And that's basically all you have to do to it. You don't have to, you can make it smaller if you want to, but for what I've got, I want to make it as big as I can. And that's the reason I selected the frame size before I went into to pull the design in. I wanted to make sure it would come in as big as it can. So I'm going to hit embroidery. And now it's ready to do its embroidery. So let me move the camera over, and I'll show you what I've got set up over here. I have 2 fat quarters and a piece of batting in between them. And I've already got this loaded into my magnetic frame. And this is the 10 5/8 by 16 magnetic frame. And basically that's all there is to it. I'm going to hit the start button, and it's going to start and do the embroidery. And we'll watch it for just a few minutes. But I'm not going to make you sit here for 4 minutes and watch all of it. But I do want you to see how it starts. And that's basically all there is to it. There are 2 designs in there. One's a sewing design, and one is this design that I'm stitching out right now. But then there are lots of designs in the fill section that you can do. And I'll do another video and show you how to pull in a fill and do the same exact thing. But this is using the Solaris 2 designs that are in there already. And they are apparently making more designs to put into the machine. Now this is just if you want to do it on a tote bag, if you want to do it on a smaller square, you can do this and then join your squares together in other directions. But I like to do this on the little zippered pouches that I make. It's just really quick and easy. I can set this up and then go work on something else. And later on I'm going to be doing a webinar or a little video actually on making zippered pouches, and this will be one of the items that I use to make that zippered pouch. So I'm going to raise this so you can see how it's stitching. And it will just continue to stitch on and stitch the whole entire design. I'm going to pause just a second, let it finish. Okay, my design is finished, and I just want to show you a few things. There is a good-sized gap on this side, so just be aware that it's not going to stitch up really close to your frame, so just be aware of that. And the other thing I want to show you is, since this is a magnetic frame, what I can do is pull it off, lay it up here. I can pull my fat quarter off, or my embroidered design, you can see it. And then I can lay another one down here and put, once I get it in there, then I can put the frame back down on it. And that's what you will be doing whenever you do like a big quilt. You would put your quilt in here, then you would pull this up, if I can get it to unlock, pull this up and lay it up here while you move your quilt and put it in another section, and then put it back down here to start embroidering again. So that just gives you a quick little overview of something very quick that you can do. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sewing.